Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video is another experiment, a snacky experiment that I made after making the chicken chips. They have been quite a success. Some of you guys asked me to make them with beef, which I did. So let me show you how it went. So same as with the other recipe, you need a food processor, which makes it so much easier. You do not want to do it by hand. I got some minced extra lean beef mince. I'm using extra lean beef mince because it's a protein sparing recipe. So I added it to a blender and blended it with some spices like onion powder, garlic powder, salt and some sriracha, which is totally optional. You blend it properly, maybe even separate it during the blending once in a while, just to make sure the blade can get in all of the meat. And then spread it out on a parchment paper with cling film on top. Using a rolling pin, you're going to spread it out and make a nice even layer, as thin, so thin that you can see the light through. Here on the video I had too much for just one tray, so I made then another tray. And then you're going to bake it at 150 degrees on fan with fan assisted oven for about 1 hour, so 50 to 60 minutes. While it was cooking, I also flip it so the heat had the chance to dry out the beef also on the bottom. So here you have the chips. As you can see, they shrunk so much during, I'm not sure why they shrunk so much. I think maybe beef is just chemically different than chicken, but they shrunk into the middle so much so they become a bit thicker. That's why it takes a little bit longer to cook it. But here you have them, but yeah, let's give them a try. I don't think the beef works with this recipe, and the reason is because of this shrinking. They got quite thick. They are crispy, they are extremely crispy, but they are a bit thick, so it makes it really hard. They're not like when you eat crisps, they're thin, so they're like really easy to chew. These ones are a bit like you can feel the chewing in your brain. You know, when you chew something really hard, you almost lose your hearing because it's so loud. I'm chewing with my open mouth so you can hear it. Yeah, it's just too thick to be categorized as a chip, or like we call it. So in the UK, crisps are chips in the US, and chips are fries in the US. But so fries are chips for us, and crisps are chips for you. Here a bit of cultural language here. But yeah, I don't think it works with beef. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to stick with chicken. I don't know if they work with pork, but I think chicken is also probably the most cost effective. One thing I'm gonna try next for you guys is to make them with some like fattier meat and see what happens, because these are, even the chicken was a bit dry because it's all chicken breast. Like, that's the thing, this is all protein sparing, so no fat or very little fat. But yeah, so my next phase of experiment is definitely going to be with some fattier meats, and then stay tuned so I can let you know how it goes. But thank you so much for watching today. As usual, I invite you to subscribe, click the notification bell on and all that. Follow me on Instagram, let's stay connected. Find me in the comments below, send me a text on Instagram and all that. Let me know if you have any recipe that I want to try, any suggestions. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.